Welcome to 76342 Kalakua Street. Conveniently located in the heart of Kailua, Kona, this spectacular sunlit home boasts over 5,000 square feet under roof on almost a half an acre, and every inch is rich with detail and elegance. You should come over and see for yourself what this home has to offer you. Let me take you on a tour of your future home. As you enter this home, you'll notice easy access to all your outside amenities. Enjoy over 3,000 square feet of artisan-laid travertine flooring, complemented by these high-vaulted ceilings showcasing this magnificently spacious grand room. The craftsmanship of this home is second to none, and entertaining your guests is easier than ever. Feast your eyes on this awe-inspiring kitchen. This full kitchen is graced with gorgeous granite stone countertops and enclosed by these exquisite African mahogany cabinets. Amenities include 2 dishwashers on your way to this dashing butler pantry. Easily prepared delightful delicacies for you and your guests to enjoy on this lovely dining room table. You'll pass by this home office with door access to the courtyard, along with this charming 3rd bedroom adjacent to this classy full bath on your way to the home studio. This multi-purpose home studio is an essential piece to this home's design, fully capable of providing you with a place of peace for your own working needs, accommodating family members, or just a quiet private space for guests, complete with its own full bath. Now let's take you to one of 2 magnificent master suites. Wake up to the serene sounds of the birds chirping in this spacious master suite. Enjoy every relaxing moment gazing at the scenic view soaking in this in-ground tub. The 2nd master suite is located at the opposite end of the home and proves to be a contender when it comes to peace and privacy. Complete with this awe-inspiring master bath, each master suite is sure to be a crowd pleaser. Follow me outside to this massive lanai. Elegant and enticing, family and friends will lay back and lounge poolside. You'll peruse the palatial Kona coast sunsets every day in peace. Enjoy immaculate views of the ocean and immerse yourself in Kona's relaxing atmosphere while you're barbecuing at your outdoor kitchen, complete with this Evo grill. This home is expected to sell very soon, so I invite you to pick up your phone and call now. The view from up here is breathtaking. Your future home in Hawaii awaits you. Aloha. Now, if you've made it this far, you're definitely interested. Pick up your phone and call Realtor Tanya Power with Next Home Paradise Realty at 808-960-6060 now, and seize the opportunity to own this picturesque piece of paradise. Visit the website at konacoastproperties.com or email Tanya Power directly at tanya@tanyapower.com. It's definitely proven to give you that luxurious private lifestyle you've always dreamed of here in Hawaii. Your future home in Hawaii awaits you. Aloha.